How to log in to Macy's account. So if you want to log in to Macy's account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Macy's login. And after searching here, if you scroll down, you will have a sign in option under Macy's. You can click on that and it will take you to the login or the sign in page of Macy's. And now if you don't have an account, then you can go to no account yet, and then you can click on create account and you can create your Macy's account. But if you want to log in, then you have to come here and then you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password on the next one. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover it. And if you want to save your credentials on your laptop or PC while you log in next time, then you can click here. But if you don't want to save it, then you can unclick it. And now if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then you have to click on sign in. And that's it. That's the way to log in or sign into your Macy's account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.